Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers, Graduate Apprentice Trainee at Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It was established in 1945 and now the group has a presence in aerospace, agribusiness, aftermarket, automotive components, construction equipment, defense, energy, farm equipment, finance and insurance, industrial equipment, information technology, leisure and hospitality, logistics, real estate, retail, education and two-wheelers. It is one of the largest vehicle manufacturer by production in India and the largest manufacturer of tractors in the world. In 2014, Mahindra featured on Forbes Global 2000. It is a part of Mahindra Group, an Indian conglomerate. They have an operational presence in over 100 countries and employ more than 2 lakh people. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers, automobile engineers and production engineers can apply for this post. For getting more details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel ENGG Jobs for you. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. In this channel, every day 10 AM we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 PM we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Graduate Apprentice Trainee at Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Post name is Graduate Apprentice Trainee. Date of publication is 6th May 2021. Location is in India. Company name is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Job responsibilities: to ensure daily production as per the plan and maintain PQCDM parameters in respective shift. Eligibility: BE BTech, mechanical or automobile or production engineering. Experience required for the post is 0 to 3 years or freshers can apply for this post. Industry preferred are automotive. General requirements: good written and oral communication, assertive, good presentation skill, good time management, good planning and people management skills, good analytical skills, etc. Role is graduate apprentice trainee. Industry type is automotive. Function area is production, manufacturing, maintenance. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply through their website as shown in screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this job details opportunity from our channel ENGG Jobs for you. Every day 10 AM we will upload government jobs and every day 5 PM we will upload private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.